RJD has lent some credence to Arvind Kejriwal's contentions, but disagrees with him. Manoj Jha says that Narendra Modi won't retire because he's bigger than the BJP. And he also asked why isn't the BJP denying that Yogi Adityanath would be replaced very soon right after the election results.
देखिए, अब ये तो होता है उस दल में जिसमें व्यक्ति दल से बड़ा हो जाए। ये तो भाजपा के लिए चिंता का विषय है कि आडवाणी जी निपटा दिए गए, जोशी साहब निपटा दिए गए, प्रधानमंत्री जी नहीं निपटाएंगे क्योंकि ये व्यक्ति दल से बड़ा हो गया। लेकिन अरविंद जी ने एक और बात कही थी कि योगी आदित्यनाथ जी को 2 महीने में हटा दिया जाएगा। उस पर किसी ने खंडन नहीं किया। इसका मतलब प्लान पक्का है कि योगी जी, क्योंकि खंडन अगर इस पर कर रहे हो तो दोनों बातें थी ना अरविंद जी की बात में।
Well, Tetri is with us right now. Good morning, Tetri. Arvind Kejriwal will soon be out for campaigning on his second day out of jail, but seems like he has raised a fresh issue to take on the Prime Minister and on the BJP.
Yes, certainly after stepping out of Tihar jail, it was the first official press conference that Arvind Kejriwal held yesterday. In fact, in that particular press conference, he made very personal attack on Prime Minister Modi and hinting at the fact, directly saying this particular fact that Prime Minister Modi will be retiring as soon as he turns 75, and other leaders of the BJP who turned 75 were retired, said be counting from Lal Krishna Advani to Sumitra Mahajan. Other lead in the similar pattern, Narendra Modi will also be retiring, to which we are seeing that BJP is also responding in the similar way to Arvind Kejriwal, saying that no matter what, Prime Minister Modi will remain the Prime Minister for the next tenure also. But yes, today also Arvind Kejriwal is going to hold a roadshow, and we are expecting that the same issues, the same point will be raised in that particular roadshow also. And also remember that today also there is one important press conference that Arvind Kejriwal is
Right,
also
that's going to happen at around 1 p.m. We are told he is currently holding meeting with the Delhi MLAs as well before he heads out for second round of political campaigns that will be taking place later in the